okay.
No cheating in my class.
Sorry, teacher.
Joyce, your turn.
Me? Okay.
Good job, Joyce.
What? How'd you do it so easy?
Let me show you. For the multiples of 9, you go from 0 all the way to 9. And then you go in the same way but reverse.
Oh, I got it now. Thank you, Joyce.
No problem.
Huh? How could I use these scissors?
Don't worry, Lily. Here you go. Why don't you try?
Wow, you're a genius.
Thank you.
Ah! Darn, how can I fix my shirt? I really like my new shirt.
Oh no, that's wrong. Huh? Wow, it really works.
I need a new pen.
Oh no! My drawing!
Now write the answers on your whiteboard, please.
Darn, I forgot my whiteboard.
Me too! What do we do? Here's our answer! Good job! Yay!
How could I staple my homework?
This is not a nail salon.
Sorry, teacher.
Give me the file.
How could I file my nails in class?
Again?
It's just an eraser.
Okay.
Yes!
Hi everyone!
If you like our school hacks such as ruler scissor, reuse t-shirt, eraser nail file, sharpen eraser.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Give us a big thumbs up and comment below.
See you in the next video. Bye!